This is the Mi 8 SE, essentially a light version of the flagship Mi 8 from Xiaomi. This is Sandeep from Rev Atlas, and here are our first impressions. The Mi 8 SE, as its name suggests, bears some resemblance to the flagship product and attempts to give a premium experience at a more affordable price. The Mi 8 SE features a more rectangular design shape, which is a bit quirky, but something that I like, and in fact I think it feels more premium than the Mi 8 itself. There's Corning Gorilla Glass 5 and an aluminum mid-frame which has a shiny paint job. It looks beautiful, especially in this red variant, but you can also get it in grey, blue and gold. You'd expect a rectangular shape to be disappointing in terms of ergonomics. It's actually pretty great to grip and the overall size makes it easy to handle. Onboard is a 5.88-inch Super AMOLED display with Full HD Plus resolution. Anything under 6 inches can be considered to be compact nowadays, especially with smaller bezels, a notch and an 18.7:9 aspect ratio. The display looks great and the blacks are nice and deep. However, it seems to lack the excellent visibility that the Mi 8 had under direct sunlight. It's still better than many Xiaomi phones and many IPS panels, but for something that carries a Super AMOLED tag, it seems to miss out. It's mainly because they don't have a brightness overdrive feature that you commonly see in other phones with Samsung panels. The back houses a fingerprint scanner and there's also facial recognition on board. The facial recognition feature uses just the front-facing camera and you don't get the IR illuminator that the Mi 8 or even the similarly priced Poco F1 has. The phone runs on Android 8.1 Oreo with MIUI on top and is powered by a 10nm octa-core Snapdragon 710 chipset. There's 4 and 6GB models available with 64GB of storage and a high-end 128GB storage variant with 6GB of RAM. It's important to pick the right storage variant as there is no support for memory expansion, but is just a dual nano SIM card slot. The phone has a 12MP sensor with f1.9 aperture, 1.4 micron pixel size with dual pixel autofocus, and a secondary 5MP depth sensor. At the front is a 20MP f2 1 micron sensor. Here are some samples we shot with the phone. Do stay tuned for our camera review for all the details. Powering the device is a 3120 mAh battery with Quick Charge 3.0 and Type-C charging port. The capacity seems to be on the lesser side, but we're hoping for good battery life courtesy the Super AMOLED display and 10nm chipset. There are a lot of things to love about the Mi 8 SE and a few things to be worried about too. Let's get down to the details in our full review. Thanks for watching this video. See you again in the next one.